there, welcome to our channel Free Tech. In this video, we will talk about how to move AVAX from MetaMask to Coinbase. So, for this, first of all, in your Coinbase wallet or extension, navigate to your Avalanche C-chain address. Go to your MetaMask wallet and navigate to send or transfer option for AVAX and paste your Coinbase wallet address into the recipient field. Now specify the amount of AVAX you want to send and confirm the transaction. Now, you need to check the transaction details on MetaMask to ensure accuracy and confirm the send. Now, important considerations are Avalanche network. Make sure you are using the Avalanche C chain address for your Coinbase wallet, as this is the chain where AVAX is natively used. Be aware of gas fees for the transaction on the Avalanche network. Keep your private keys or recovery phrase safe and secure, and ensure that both your MetaMask and CoinChain wallet are set to the Avalanche C section. So this is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.